a huge mysterious door-like structure in the Huayllamarca mountain region of southern Peru near Lake Titicaca, 35 kilometers from the city of Puno, has long been revered by local Indians as the city of the gods. The exact origin and purpose of Amuru Muru is unknown. According to legend, the doorway was created by the gods themselves, who opened a portal to another world. The site has long been associated with supernatural forces, and it is believed to be a place of great power and mystery. The legend is that there's a gold sun disk which the Incan gods possessed, which was a key that would unlock the doorway's stargate capabilities. Once the sun disk was placed in the center of the door would light up and open and show a beautiful world on the other side. The site has become increasingly popular among tourists in recent years, and it is now a popular destination for those looking to explore the mysterious past of the Incas. This has been Around the World in 30 Seconds. Make sure to subscribe.